Google has released the Android 16 Beta 2, marking a step closer to the final launch of Android 16, which is expected in the second quarter of 2025. This latest beta update brings several exciting features and improvements, particularly camera and media enhancements. With the Android 16 Beta 2 update, Google has introduced hybrid auto exposure modes to the Camera 2 API. The feature allows third-party apps to manually control specific aspects of exposure, providing users with greater flexibility. Additionally, the Android 16 Beta 2 adds camera support for precise color, temperature, and tint adjustments, making it a better option for professional video recording apps. As for the media updates, Android 16 now includes a standard intent action for capturing and displaying motion photos. Furthermore, the latest beta update adds support for Ultra HDR images in the HEIC file format, with plans to introduce AVIF support for Ultra HDR shortly. How to install Android 16 Beta 2? To install Android 16 Beta 2, users can enroll their Pixel devices in the Android Beta program on Google's website. Once enrolled, Pixel devices will receive an OTA update, which can be installed as usual. However, it's essential to note that this is still a beta release, so users should be aware of its potential risks and bugs that may make their way into the device.